Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So after a long time, nearly it's a 45 days to 50 days, I'm doing this video for the next movement of Nifty as well as S&P 500, US30 and the global indices like the two as well as Nifty and Singapore Nifty. So if I explaining this using Elliott wave theory, so this is only for the educational purpose, not for investment. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to the deeply analysis of S&P 500. So before that, I need to show my wave count of S&P 500 of the positional wave count in monthly. So as per this is the third wave. It's completed on this high of 4,808 on the 1st of December here, the December month. After that, this is the end of the third wave. So I kept this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. The 5 is completed. And after this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, and 4 is an expanding triangle, and the 5th got completed at here. So that is the end of the third wave. So as per the Elliott wave and theory, wave 1, rejection wave 2, exactly the 2618. So that is the third wave length. But here some questions for everybody, whether this is a three-way structure. It could be A, B, C also. It's not only 1, 2, 3. But even though if we kept, this is some first impulsive wave, right? And it is already doing only 5 5-way structures, and it is not a 3 3-way structures inside. So according to that, if we kept this as a 1, 2, 3, only if breaks the high, then that will be considered as a maybe one more wave is possible for that fifth wave. But the fourth wave, very, very complex corrections can happen, and you know very well if you are an Elliott wave trader. So because this is the bigger fourth what we are expecting here, this fourth. So it won't be a simple correction what we expecting. I will explain you here why I'm not coming to the conclusion here, and it is still it may took another four years also to complete this fourth wave. So how? See, this is the only one what I'm explaining. Every time we are expecting the fifth wave, it could be a B, C also. Mind that I will just put in this also. So this is the 0, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C also. So we have to mind this always, not only for the fourth wave. So it come to the next possibility 1, 2, 3, and we are expecting the fourth wave to complete and the fifth wave to reach around 5,100 to 5,200 what we are expecting. So here I will hide all those analysis drawings. This one is A, this is the one B, and this is the one C. So this is simply A, B, C, and the wave 1, this is the wave 2. So it took nearly 9 years to complete this correction part, and it is already broken the previous high also and previous this low also. This is in the expanded flat because it's already broken the previous high. Once again we will check that. Yeah, this high is 155287 1576. So this is an expanded triangle. Sorry, very sorry. It's an expanded flat. So it took nearly 9 years to complete. So at least we can make it this as a 4 years of this time taken here. So it's already, we started from 22 January, and it's almost the next year. It's around four months to go. So how we can expect here? See, this portion is got completed here in the three-way structure. Now we are here, I'm expecting this one. So this one, it could be like this, or this could be again one more WXY. I will explain that also. After this, one more drop. So I'm simply expecting 1, 2, 3. So here it already did. So now I'll hide this. This one is completed. Now we need this one. Whether it is going to break or whether it is going to break this low. So anything is possible. It's already broken here and it came down. So here it's already did that expanded flat correction. So maybe a zigzag or it could be a triangle. So there is no chances for making again this pattern as an expanded flat. It could be a running flat also. So here the usual that zigzag is mixing here. So why can't we expect this as a zigzag? Because why I am explaining this here is detailing. This is the path for all that Nifty and Singapore Nifty also. See, this is one A, B, C is a A. Later onwards, the three-way structure it's completed here. So if we kept this as a A, this as a B, and another C way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should not break this low and this low also here. So need to from here it has to bounce back for the another three-way structure, and it is failed here and it's already broken. So that means this is the one A, B, C is a zigzag of W. This is the one is a connecting wave of X. This is the one A, this is the one B, and the C. It's completed in the zigzag method of in the C or in the Y way. So this is the one zigzag, and this is the connecting wave as a expanded flat, and this is the one more is a zigzag. So this is a double zigzag. So sometimes what we expecting one is double zigzag is like this. Here the same thing happened here. 1, 2, 3. This one is completed, and this one is an expanded flat correction. It's completed here, and this is the one here, and this is the one here, B, and this is the one here, this one. So for me, this is the one I expected, and from here I'm expecting the bounce, and it is already bounced. So right now from here, what will be the next move? So in that, this is the one, it's A, this is the one is B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C is completed. Or it could be 1, 2, 3, and we are expecting the fourth wave and one more 5-way. This could be the 5-way structure, and again we are expecting the 3-way and another 5-way can expecting. And this is the one, the downward bearish trend line. And this could be the ABC, means this is the one correction part is completed. Again, this is ABC, means this could be the connecting wave also. So still we are expecting one more wave to the downside. So why not from here we can expect another three-way structures to the downside to this wavelength here, at least 3171, what I already placed it here. So there is a chances from here it can making like this, or it can do like this also, or it can, if it is a very complex correction in this X wave, it can do like this also, or this could be the end of the correction, means it from here it can bounce to make the fifth wave also. But what I am explaining and in giving the input here, it could be the way for it won't be a very simple, and I'm expecting this kind of bigger fourth wave here. So it won't be very simple in my experiences. According to lot of charts I have analyzed, and I already keep on updating every week in the forex. So in my experience, it won't be very simple, but it as possible. There is a possible, because it's a one. This is the wave 2, and a 3, and I'm expecting that at least 23.6 means it's already did that correction for this third wave, because this is the wave 1 and wave 2. The wave 3 is at 2618, so I'm expecting not 38.2, it could be 23.6 also, or it can do a triangle. So this is my detailed analysis in S&P 500, and I'll come to this for US 30. This is also that same view. 1 2 3 is got completed, and I'm expecting the same pattern, whether this is the one the correction is got completed, or this could be the connecting part and again one more wave, or it could be the another one more three-way structures and again one more, again the three-way structures. It could break this high also sometimes for the expand a running flat or expanded flat, or it could be a running triangle. So in that case it can break the high, or if it is not breaking this high, there is a lot of chances for making a regular flat correction, or it could be a triangle again. So you have to look for all the possibilities. The three-way structures may be converted into five-way structures, as I explained here. It could be again five-way structures, or it could be a running. This could be a connecting wave and one more down wave. It's also possible. Or from here, after the three-way structures, again one more three-way structures, or it could be a five-way structures. ABC and ABC and one more C can also happen to break this low. This is simple. If you elaborate and go into the deeply about that Elliott wave, then you can find all the possibilities. So I finished detailedly about the S&P 500 as well as the US 30. Now we come to our indices. It's a Nifty. It's a Singapore Nifty. It's a 24-hour market like the S&P 500 and US 30, but Nifty is only the 9 to 3:30. So from here what I can expect, right? This is the one, the correction is got completed. Forget about this one, right? Forget about this. Either this could be the end of the correction also, or this could be the starting of the correction. After the three-day structure, we can expect one more downside for the 14,000 mark also. But whether it is coming to now itself, or what I have explained, right? This could be that triangle here. Again, it can be a congested like this, and one more to the high. So A, B, C, D, E, and high. Otherwise, if this is the connecting wave, for this correction, we can expect this one. So this is the one. First possibility is a triangle. The second possibility is a flat correction. So what will be the next? Next is again there will be a one more three-way structure, and again it can be again that one more three-way structure, may or may not to break the high. If it is broken the high also, there is a chances for the bullish. The fourth wave may end it here also, or it could be a running flat, or it could be a running triangle in the other case. So what we can expect is, look at this S&P 500. Just now only it touched this trend line, but before that S&P, sorry, in Singapore Nifty and Nifty, it's already broken and again it came down. But in Nifty also it is already broken and it is now coming to the downside. So a lot of people may think whether it can retest this one and again it may bounce. It may or may not. I'm not any given the assurance, because here how it looks like, this could be the A, B, and C also. Look at this in the detail analysis of the 4 hour. It's a beautiful 1 2 3 4 and 5. After this is the either A or B or 1 or 2, but here 1 2 3 4 and 5, the ending diagonal pattern of the C, or it could be the fifth way or the wedge formation. So anything we can calculate. This 1 2 3 4 5 structures got completed. I'm expecting whether this is the one, this is the two, third wave, fourth wave, and one more fifth wave, means we may be very happy, because after that correction part in the three-way structures, It could took more time also. It won't be like this. Again, we can expect another 5-way structures, or this could be the starting of the 5th way also, because the 4th way may ended within the simple also, but I won't look this as much as simple to complete here, because I already explained the S&P 500. We are here. It took nearly March 2003, or here it's September 1, so nearly 1.5 years. And here also I need to give some inputs. It's all looking like the three-way structures here. So how I'm looking this as, this is the one, right? I already drawn here, right? So 1, 2. After this, this is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. So we are in that wave 3. And according to this one, look at this, and here 16183 is completed, 4th wave, and it is not yet overlapped that wave 1 and extract perfectly the channel and bounced, and it's completed here. So if we did this as a 1, 2, 3, so from here we can expect that 23.6. 1 second, I will delete this one. Fibonacci retracement for the wave 2, wave 3 here. So the 23.6 is 14,600. So it is not yet, and 38.8 is already, I measured this. So either this could be only the one simple correction is got completed, that is A is completed here, and here we bounced. So whether this could be like this, may or may not, it can break this high. So if there is a possible for this to break, otherwise if it's already broken the previous high, there is a chances for making to break this also in expanded flat correction, or it could be a running flat correction, or it could be a running triangle. Anything is possible, lot of possibilities here. So that our mind should be very clear. This could be the, here we can't make it this as a B and C, because I took it this as a 1, 2, 3 and beyond the 4th wave. So if we look our Sensex, right, this is also somewhat, look at this. I just keep looking on this, and then I decided to make a video what I got my thought. See, this is the one, right? This is the somewhat here the 5-way structure is got completed. I will show you in why this one. 1 second. Yeah, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, this is the wave 4 and wave 5. So this is somewhat the correction part as a running flat here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we calculate this as a 1 and this as a 2, look at this, this is the 1, we can mark it this as a red color. So this is the 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. After that shortfall, that's the COVID one, and after that's a rise. So this length and this length is the same. If you measure this one, sorry, yeah, if you measure this one, exactly the same wavelength. And if you make it this as a Fibonacci expansion for the wave 1, wave 2, exactly this is a 618. So this got completed here. And one more here, we can make it this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2. Here also it looks like 2618 got completed. So what I'm trying to explain here is whether this could be the ABC. So this could be the wave 1 also in the diagonal triangle pattern. So in that case, if it is a diagonal triangle pattern, so the 5-way structures, so this is the 1, 0, this is the 1, this is the 2. So this A, B, C is could be the third one. So sorry, yeah, we need to complete this one. So 0, 1, sorry, not here. 0, 1, 2, 3, after the 4 and 5. So this is the one I'm looking for. So this wave ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a A, this is the B and C. So here if you look from this wave 1 to wave 2, exactly 2618 nearby. So why not this could be the end of the third wave as per that S&P 500 what I did here. So either this is the A, B, C also, that is what I mentioned. So in that category, if we kept this as a B, C also, we are in the downtrend. So if you look in the Nifty, it's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm biased on this 5-way structure. So we are in that 4th wave. So what I'm trying to explain here, giving the input, we are in the bigger 4th, and it will take more than 2 to 3 years to complete this correction. So I'm expecting this 14,300 also, and if it is a 38.2 retracement, so it can reach up to that 12,300 also in coming years also. So this is my detailed analysis about S&P 500, US30, Singapore Nifty, Sensex and Nifty. So just keep watching this, and if you look at in that daily chart also, in the 4-hour chart, here it's something looking like that one 5-way structure is got completed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. We don't know whether this is the ABC as a connecting wave for this bearish trend, or this could be the 5-way structure it can make after that 3-way structure, and again it can be another 5-way structures to break the previous high, and again it may be a expanded flat, or it could be a running triangle, or it could be a running flat also here, running flat or expanded flat or running triangle. So only if it moves in the 5-way structure here, if it did the 5-way structures, then we come to know. Otherwise, until that, we can't predict the market. There is a lot of chances to break this low in any kind. Again, this could be the 5-way structure. So I am waiting for this 1400, or in case if it did the 5-way structures after the 3-way structures, again we can expect another 5-way structures may break this one or may not, because if after the making of the 5-way structure it can be a deeper, and again one more 5-way structures to break this 5 ways only, not to break this high. So from here also it can again one more 3-way structure, so that could be a triangle also. So mind this, watch carefully what I have explained detailedly all about the 5 pairs. So this is my analysis for the whole months and years, or if it is I found any time in between, I will share my thoughts in my Telegram channels. And I'm not posting all those updated charts in the Nifty. I stopped because I found really I didn't found any time, and I'm doing the weekly analysis also in the forex. I'm doing the markets and other business I started. So I'm I'm is a short of time for me. So thanks for watching this, and you can share this video to a lot of people to gaining the knowledge in the Elliott waves, how we have to look all the possibilities. That is the only thing, and my ambition is to create an awareness, and I'm doing, and I did a lot of things in my YouTubes to learn Elliott waves without giving any without any spend any fee to anybody. Thanks a lot, and have a nice weekend to everybody. Bye.